Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am CassieJBudgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our Ko-Fi shops down below so you can check them out if you like. Alright, you guys, we're going to do a quick little setups. I have some goals in place, and I was thinking if I don't set it up, I probably won't follow through. And my goal is to just get started on whatever it is. If I finish it, great. If I can't, that's okay. It's okay. Somebody, I can't remember who I was watching the other day, and she was explaining how she had to get out of her own way and understand that she should be grateful that she had the funds for whatever she needed them for, even though what she wanted them for is not what she used them for. And so I was thinking to myself, okay, just put the money away, just save it, just try to shoot for those small wins, and eventually there'll be some big victories along the way. And that's what 2025 really showed me, because I can get caught up in the negativity of not seeing things come to pass the way that I thought they should. But some of the way I had the funds to feed my family, I had the funds to buy the Christmas gifts, I had the funds to take them to a movie, I had the funds for those things. It wasn't what I was planning on using the money for, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's get started with, this is my Freebie Friday binder that I'm setting up. I am hoping that I'll be able to continue doing Freebie Friday. I just used one of my old binders. As a matter of fact, I won this binder in a giveaway, and so a lot of my binders I did win in giveaways. Cassie J did make me this dashboard, and love it so much. And I thought, perfect opportunity to actually use it, put it into one of my binders, and let's show her off a little bit. And I grabbed 6 of my envelopes that I used along the way last year. I just put little stickers on there that tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are my 6 envelopes that I will be using to play my Freebie Friday games. And the reason I'm saying play is because I will be rolling dice. None of these have amounts. This set is from Save with Glow, and it was a freebie. And I thought it was so cute. All the Disney princesses, I guess technically not princesses, but Disney main characters. Yeah, I was like, let me go ahead and use them. So we're going to go ahead and put these, we're just going to start, oh, I guess Tiana's going first. Ariel, next. What is Snow White's real name? Is it Snow? I don't know, I don't remember. I haven't watched any of these. I'll tell you which one I watch over and over and over and over again. But Cinderella, of course, we all recognize her. Rapunzel. I do like Rapunzel. I like that she's a little bit rebellious when she's trying to explore and figure out her life. Sorry about that, my phone was ringing. Hi, Cassie, I'm recording. Anyway, last one, Belle. No, last one that we're going to start with. I will tell you, I love Merida from Brave. Oh, she, especially in this time in my life, where I am in my life, it's like what she was experiencing, just wanting to choose her life, to have her own life. And there's a part where they're trying to get her to find a man and all this stuff, and they have to compete by shooting an arrow, and she breaks out of her dress, she tears it apart, and it's such a powerful moment because she says, I'll be shooting for my own heart. Yes, but aside from love, I was thinking, I'll be saving for my own journey. I'll be saving for my own emergency fund. I'll be saving for my own vacations. I'll be working to provide for my own family. It's things like that where it just was across the board, could mean so much. So I'm not going to start her. I thought about just putting her in rotation and actually maybe even adding an additional envelope, like if I have extra cash or something like that left over. So don't hold me to it, but we may, in fact, do that. Maybe we should. Because now that I'm holding this one in my hand, I don't want to leave her out. And that's my girl. Hold on. All right, so this one's not numbered, but I think what we'll do is we'll figure out a way to add her into our Freebie Friday. So Save with Glow, thank you so much for making these beautiful inspiring um, saving challenges. And then I know some people can watch the Disney movies and they can apply their own journey to what they're seeing. And that's another reason why I really, really like watching them. Even though, you know, it is usually love stories, but it also is empowering young girls, young women, and sometimes you need to be reminded that you too are powerful. And so that's why I was grateful to see these. And I have a ton of freebie saving challenges, and I thought to showcase a bunch of different people. But starting off strong in January, we are going to live our best life as Disney princesses, whatever that looks like for us, whichever one is your favorite or aspire to live like. And then I got this little clip, and I'm just going to put it on the outside of my binder. Let's see here. It's kind of like the clip that goes on a shirt or something. Say you're at work and you have a badge, you clip your badge on there. But I thought it was super cute. So we're going to go ahead and set this one off to the side, and we will bring out my other savings challenge. Be right back. Let's get this one set up. I'm excited for this one because there was a goal of mine to complete a savings challenge throughout the year that did not require me to do a sum method. If I needed to, by all means, I would. And if at some point I need to, I will. But I wanted to see if there was one that I could possibly complete in this year, maybe before the year's over. I'm not certain how well things are going to go for me, or, you know, wherever I get some big wins, I want to try to cash stuff these savings challenges a little bit more. So let's go ahead and set this one up. Let's see here. And I'm just reusing old binders. I did win a couple. I purchased one last year, and this is the one I purchased that came with some pretty envelopes, and it was such a good deal, such a good sale. That's why I grabbed it. So this dashboard, I love giraffes. This dashboard Cassie J made for me as well, and I was thinking I want a savings challenge like this. Maybe I need to, I'm going to put that on her list. Not my list, her list. But I thought it was really pretty. I'm not certain how it's going to look with the fluted cover, but that's okay. I mean, when I open it up, it'll be great. Now, this savings challenge, it's actually sold out in our shop, but we will bring it back. It is a savings challenge set. Let me double check here. No, I'm busy. All right, so this savings challenge actually is 12 savings challenges, January through December, very, very low amounts. And I figured at least I could give it a shot. If it takes me all year, that's fine. If I can get through it, that's great. When you purchase this, it does come as a set of 12 envelopes, so you won't need additional envelopes. I just didn't laminate mine, and also I felt like I'll just use them kind of like dashboards. But let's go ahead and stuff these envelopes. So this first 6 say 1 through 6, and I thought maybe I should go ahead and put the rest on there, but since I'm just reusing old envelopes, it's okay. Maybe at some point I may think about putting the other numbers, but for now I'm not going to worry about it. But we're going to go ahead and just set this up by putting the, well, I guess technically mine would be dashboard, so savings challenge, into each envelope. So January is $19. So each month is $19, and I thought that was a doable number. At the end of the year, if you complete this, you'll save $226. And for some people, that's not much at all. But for me, that is a hard feat, at least what the past couple of years have shown me. And I'm hoping that in 2026, I will see some bigger wins and some longer-term savings challenges being completed, and not having to be unstuffed or not being discouraged. Let me just finish stuffing these. And I believe one of these savings challenges is not $19. I can't remember. I should have looked before. All right. So it's correct. January through November is $19 and December is $17. We thought to put the odd number in December because of the fact that usually people are spending more in December. I'm not certain exactly what I'm going to use this $226 for. If I complete it in time, I would like to use it for either my birthday or my kiddo's birthday. I am going to be working on adding sinking funds back into rotation. It will be very minimal amounts, but I think that it would be worth my while to at least attempt to get my life together, start saving, just go for it. That's where I'm at. So far, what I have already started working on, there's two things that I started. Let me grab them. All right, so my first savings challenge that I decided I would continue on doing through the rest of however long it takes me. I save K-Bucks, and I'm not certain what I'm going to use this for, but this savings challenge you can actually find in our shop, link down below, and you save $50 with each letter buck. So this year I decided to do $2 bills and $1 bills, so their K-Bucks are kind of hard to find, but we'll see how that goes. And then I introduced my 100 envelope binder. Yay! So, and then what I decided to do, because when I stuffed it, I was putting the money behind it, but I don't want to keep redoing the same one. Speaking of which, while I've got you here, let's just do something really quickly. On each slot is a sticker that gives the envelope number. So I want to go ahead and see which ones I've done. Number 19. So I'm going to color in number 19. This is just the tracker, and I thought to myself, oh my goodness, I forgot to color him in. And I'm just going to use orange because, you know, she's orange. The setup's kind of autumn theme. And number 23. So I did stuff 3 envelopes, I believe, in my video, yes. But this one doesn't have, that one doesn't have a sticker because there are a couple of blank challenges, which I think I'm going to move the blank to the blank spots. I think that's what I'm going to do. But that means that, in fact, I did complete 2 envelopes on my hearts, but then I have an extra one already completed. So I didn't stuff very much money in here if you did get to see it, but I'm already so very excited. This is another one that I'm going to have to do the sum method on, and that's okay because my goal is to save. All right, so we've got my letter bucks, my 100 envelope challenge. Now, if you purchase this, you can save 10K plus. Now, if you purchase this, you can save 6K plus. I'm not to that point yet, but then we're going to add into rotation my Freebie Fridays, which hopefully will start very soon. And then also, I want to start in my 226 and 2026 savings challenge. We do have also the 2026 and 2026. If you are interested, let me know. Both of those sold out. 2025 sales that we had, and so we wanted to go ahead and see if people do want them, because I'm going to be doing the 226. I'm not certain if Cassie J is going to do the 2026, but anyway, if you're interested in those savings challenges, just feel free to reach out, and then yeah, we'll add them back to the shop so you can work on it as well. And don't be discouraged, even if you do decide you want to do the savings challenge and have to do the sum method for the 226 and 2026. By all means, please start saving somewhere, doing something for yourself. Your future self will thank you. But yeah, that's my setup for my Freebie Fridays and my 226 and 2026. I have some big saving goals. I don't know how it's going to work out, but let's just encourage each other, stay inspired by one another. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.